I'm Ron from Wings and Flights, and today's video is about the PPG Travel Bag. How do we assemble the PPG Travel Bag? So before this, I just dismantled because dismantling is very easy, but assembling is a thing that you might get confused when you have the PPG Travel Bag with you. So I'll be showing you in this video, I'll be showing you how to assemble the PPG Travel Bag. So this is almost like how it will come to you packed. I've not packed it in a box, I've not made packing or something. I've just folded it, it just kept here. So this is how it will come to you when you order it. So now we'll start with opening it up. This is how it looks. This board is never going to come out. This board is going to be with the bag all the time while you ship. I mean, when it reaches you or when it is with you, it is never going to come back unless you take the bolts of these wheels out. But anyway, we go to the packing part. So here, the bag will have a pocket. Okay, so the pocket goes to the right side of the bag. And the right side is when you stand to the wheels, it will go to the right side of the bag. You just fix it. It's nice and easy. This will go to the left. Fix it. You don't have buckles or you don't have buttons or anything to tie them up. You have to just slide them. It is just sliding. For sliding, we have such slots. You notice these slots. This one here, then to another one. There's this one. You see these slots? These are for easy slides. So here it goes. So this one is fixed. Now comes the base. This one is the base. So you just place it here. All you have to do is just place it here. But then pull these belts out. This is one. There you go. There's the second one. We just have two of these. Press it inside. Just tie them up. So now, here we have the last one. This one goes to the lid. Okay? In the small pocket, I've kept the handle of it. So this one will go to the lid. And coming close. You see these two handles? This one just wraps around them, nice and easy, like that. So you have it here. Now this, we have this buckle here, this belt, fixed. Two. Fixed. 3 fixed. It's all fixed. Just done. Now the reason we have given the slot out here. Why is this not stuck to the bag? Why is this not connected to the bag? Why is it not intact with the bag? Why is it hanging on 3 belts? And that's the reason is when you open it, since it is hard on all sides, when you open it, there's a huge problem for the damage of the chain. We have tried it. The chain would have got damaged. Now the chain is not damaged. Now you see the chain can still move. We have this belt out here that is still holding this portion and the lid portion intact. We have it on both sides. The chain is safe, no problem. So this bag here closes, adjust it, chain, second chain.